Welcome back to PRATIK Academy. In this video, we will discuss some important formulas and theorems from chapter Pythagoras Theorem. So initially, our first point is Pythagoras Theorem. Okay. So we have already studied this theorem in our 8th, 9th standard. So what is theorem? In a right angle triangle, so we require one right angle triangle. The triangle in which one angle is 90 degree is called right angle triangle. The side opposite to 90 degree or right angle is called as a hypotenuse. Okay, and these are two remaining sides of triangle. Then what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides of right angle triangle. This is simple Pythagoras theorem. If we write here then hypotenuse in this case is AC, so AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is simple Pythagoras theorem. This theorem is applicable only when triangle is right angle triangle. The theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides of right angle triangle. Okay, then next point in our syllabus is Pythagoras triplet. Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so first, what is meant by triplet? Triplet means three numbers. Okay, or group of three numbers is called as triplet. And what is the specialty here of triplet? This triplet is Pythagorean triplet. So what is meant by Pythagorean triplet? If there are three numbers A, B, C, and if B square is equal to A square plus C square, or if you take square of any two numbers and it is coming square of third number, then these three numbers are called as Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so B square is equal to A square plus C square, or C square is equal to A square or B square, or last A square is equal to B square plus C square. If any of three is possible, then we can say these three numbers are forming Pythagorean triplet. For example, let's take example of 3, 4, 5. What is larger number here? Larger number is 5. Then what is the square of 5? 5 square is 25. Then we require sum of square of remaining two numbers. 3 square plus 4 square, that is equal to 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. It is equal to 25. If we look at here, the square of larger number is equal to sum of squares of remaining two numbers, because sum is again 25. So we can say that here 5 square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. Then we can say that 3, 4, 5, this triplet is Pythagorean triplet. Okay, if it is not coming, then that triplet is not Pythagorean triplet. So this is second important formula or concept in this chapter. The next is 30 60 90 triangle, 30 60 90 theorem, and 45 45 90 theorem. So 90 degree means there are two right angle triangles actually. Okay, so this is hypotenuse. Suppose this is 30 60, so this is 90 degree. Let's take this is 30 degree, then this will be 60 degree. I will take this is a ABC, or when it is 45 45 45, then A B C, and if this is 45 degree, then this also 45 degree. This is hypotenuse. Okay, now if you take 30 degree angle, then sine of C is equal to AB upon AC. What is the definition of sine? Sine is the ratio of opposite side upon hypotenuse. If you take sine C, then sine C is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Okay, that means AB upon AC. But here value of sine C is 30. C is 30, so AB upon AC. But what is sine 30? Sine 30 is half. This is standard value. So AB upon AC. So if you take AC, or if you take AB, then AB is AC upon 2. Okay. That means in case of 30 60 90 triangle, side opposite to 30 degree is half of hypotenuse. Okay, AB is side opposite to 30 degree, which is coming half of hypotenuse. Then let's apply same for sine 60 here, or sine A. Sine A is again opposite side upon hypotenuse, that means BC upon AC. But sine value of A is 60, so BC upon AC. Then AC, sorry, but sine 60, we know that standard value root 3 by 2, it is BC upon AC. That means BC is root 3 times root 3 upon 2 times AC. Okay. That means in 30 60 90 right angle triangle, side which is opposite to 30 degree, here AB is always half of hypotenuse, and side which is opposite to 60 degree is always root 3 to 3 upon 2 times AC, or hypotenuse. This is second property. Now let's take another one property here. Just 1 minute. Now for this 45 45 degree, so I will take sine C. Sine C is again opposite upon hypotenuse, opposite AB, hypotenuse is AC, but value of sine C is 45 degree. C is 45, AB upon AC. Value of sine 45 is 1 upon root 2 is equal to AB upon AC. Therefore AB is 1 upon root 2 times AC. Okay, if you take sine A, Here I will take here sin A. Sin A again opposite upon hypotenuse. Sin A is here, opposite is BC upon AC. But value of A is again 45 degree. So sin 45 is equal to BC upon AC. But what is the value of 45? Sin 45 1 upon root 2, that is equal to BC upon AC. Therefore again BC is 1 upon root 2 times AC. So in case of 45 90 degree triangle, right angle triangle, sides other than hypotenuse are always 1 upon root 2 times of hypotenuse. So this is the 45 90 degree theorem, and this is 30 60 90 degree theorem. So these are the two important theorems in this chapter. And now last one which is required in our syllabus is theorem of geometric mean. Theorem of geometric mean. Okay, here consider right angle triangle ABC and draw one perpendicular on hypotenuse from B. Let's call as a D. Okay, then if we draw perpendicular from B on hypotenuse AC, then we will find that BD square is always equal to AD into DC. Okay, BD square is always equal to AD into DC. This is called as a theorem of geometric mean. Okay, once again, if in right angle triangle we draw perpendicular on hypotenuse from opposite vertex, this is hypotenuse, we have drawn perpendicular from opposite vertex on hypotenuse, then it is found that BD square is equal to AD into DC. This theorem is called as geometric mean theorem. This part is in your syllabus or modified syllabus for batch 2019-20. Okay, now there is another one theorem, it is Apollonius theorem. Spelling Apollonius theorem. Okay, this theorem is not included in your syllabus for batch 2019-20, but for other batches it is in syllabus. So what is theorem? Theorem is simple one. Okay, suppose this is a triangle, any triangle ABC, and if I take M as a midpoint of side BC, I will draw properly here. Okay, ABC is any triangle. It may be right angle triangle, it may be acute triangle or obtuse triangle. Then in ABC triangle, if we take D as a midpoint of BC, then AD is the median joining midpoint and vertex. Then what is Apollonius theorem? Apollonius theorem states that AB square plus AC square, that means squares of remaining two sides, and sum of squares of two remaining sides is equal to 2AD square plus 2BD square. Okay, that means here center point is taken off, center point is D, this center point is of side BC, so skip this side BC and take sum of squares of remaining two sides, a square plus AC square plus AB square. Then this sum is equal to 2 times median square, that is AD square, plus BD 2 times BD square. BD and DC both are same, so you can write this way or this way also, 2 times AD square plus 2 times DC square, both are same. So this part is not in your syllabus for 2019-20 batch, sorry 2020-21 batch. Okay, so these are the important theorems from chapter theorems and formulas from chapter Pythagoras theorem. Next video we will solve practice set 2.1. If you have any doubt in these formulas, you can contact us on our number provided. Thank you for watching this video.